Today we are discussing the task 5 in Technohack Internship, in which we have to identify and remove null values in our dataset, and we are using ID species dataset in this task. Firstly, I am importing my dataset using files upload method. By using this method, I have given access to my PC and I select the file where I save the ID species dataset. And now I'm importing the libraries that I have to use in this task. And now I'm saving my artist.csv file into data frame for better access. And here you can see that we have 6 columns and 150 rows in our artist dataset. And now firstly I identify null values. I'm saving all the null values in our dataset in the duplicates. All the duplicate values that have in our dataset, I'm saving it in our duplicates data. And now I am removing it by using drop. By setting in place is equal to true, we have saved these results in our original dataset. And now as you can see our dataset, it has 150 rows and 6 columns, which is previously when we check our data into starting, which also have 150 rows and 6 columns. Basically this dataset has not any duplicate kind of values. We can just do this because it is our task. So this is the end of the task 5 of Technohack Internship, in which we identify and remove duplicate values.